given to me. So in this given opportunity, I'm going to do presentation about case study research. But before that, let me introduce myself. My name is KADEK ARISTYAWATI, and you can call me RISKA, and my last student number is 1040. So everyone, in this presentation, there are several contents that I will explain to you. The first one is the definition of case study research. The second one is the procedure of case study research. And the last one is the examples of case study research. Okay, let's jump to the definition of case study research. So here I show to you guys about the definition of case study research according to the expert. So the first one is according to Creswell in 2007, a case study is an in-depth exploration of a bounded system, and the bounded system is the activity, event, process, or individuals or a person based on extensive data collection. And then the second one is according to Robert's take in 1995. He said that case study research as an approach that focuses on the particularity and complexity of a single case and aiming to understand its activity within important circumstances. And then the third one is according to Yin in 2009. He said that a case study is an empirical inquiry that investigates a contemporary phenomenon within a real-life context, especially when the boundaries between the phenomenon and the context are not clearly evident. So, according to the expert definition, I can conclude that case study research is one of qualitative methodologies that focus in a depth investigation for a specific or a single case, and in this research need extensive data collection and analysis, so the researcher can understand the complexity and then the uniqueness of the case that they try to find out. And then for the second content, which is the procedure of case study research, in this I used to Yin book. So according to Yin in 2009, he said that the stage or the procedure of doing case study research, there is 6 stages, which is the plan, the design, prepare, and then collect. After that, analyze, and then last but not least is here. So let's jump up to the plan stage. In this stage, it focuses on identifying the research question, and then after that, we need to deciding to use case study research, which is in this stage, we need to compare the method, which is so in the end we decided to use case study research, and after that we need to defining research problem. So Yin said that defining research problem is the important things in doing case study research, and then the last one is ensuring there is no mismatch exists between the research question and then the case of study method. And then let's jump to the second stage, which is design. So in this stage, it focuses on defining the units of analysis and cases to be studied. And then the second one is developing the theory. And then the third one is identifying the case study design or the type of case study. So developing theory, it means we make the list of the theory. Maybe we can list the title of journal, the article, or maybe the book that according to our case or our problem. And then after that, let's jump to the prepare procedure or prepare stage, which is this stage is focuses on developing skill as a case study investigator, and then the second one is developing a case study protocol. And then for developing a case study protocol, maybe we need to prepare ourselves if we want to do case study research. We need to collect the data. We need to prepare the protocol. What kind of things that we can do or not, and then gaining any relevant approval, or maybe we need to get the permission first, and then after that reviewing the original case study proposal. So in the previous stage, I already explained that we need to list the theory that relate to our case or our problem. So in this prepare stage, we need to reviewing that list of the theory that we already do. And then the fourth one is collect stage. So in this stage is focuses on creating a case study database and then collect direct evidence, and then for collecting the data, we can do through document, and then archival records, and then doing interviews, and then direct observation, and also physical artifact. Okay, let's jump to the analysis stage. So in this stage is focuses on interpreting and understanding the data collection that we already collect in the previous stage. And then after that, we need to identify the pattern and the term of the data that we already have. And then after that, we identify the relationship that are relevant to the research question according to the data collection that we have in the previous stage. And then after that, we jump up to the last stage, which is share. So in this stage, focus on defining the audience, and also we need to composing textual and visual material for our readers, and then also we need to display enough evidence for a reader to reach his or her own conclusion. And then after that, we need to reviewing and then rewriting until done well. So for the example, maybe we as undergraduate student, we write our thesis letter and then rewriting until we can done well our scriptsy in class. So that's all about the stage or the procedure of case study research according to Ian. So let's jump up to the example of case study research. So here I will show you 3 examples of case study research. So the first example entitled is case study of engaging primary school students in learning science by using active world. And the participant of this research is a group of 10 students, which is 4 boys and then 6 girls, and in a primary 5 class at the neighborhood school in Singapore. And then the data collection in this research is listen observation, and then interview with the student, and then students project assessment. I'm sorry, I forgot to read the author. So the author is, or the writer is Siyu Wang and Kim Hong Ang. And the purpose of the study was to explore how three-dimensional or 3D virtual learning environment, or VLA, active world could engage underachiever student in learning the scientific concept of the solar. And then the results showed that the students were engaged in the learning task and expected more topic. So let's jump to the second example, which is an exploratory multiple case study about using game-based learning in STEM classroom. And then the the participant of this research is 101 students and 4 STAM classroom teacher. And then the data collection for this research is students pre and post-test course and 4 structural writing reflection paper. And then the author of this research is Hu Fei and Cyril Feinstein. And then this exploratory multiple case study attempt to examine whether game-based learning activities had any impact on student academic performance and behavior, and what perception the teacher had toward implementing games into their classroom. And then the result indicate that students' academic performance improved during the week GBL was implemented. In addition, their behaviors were noticed to change positively. Finally, teacher perception about GBL changed before and after they integrate the games into their classroom. And next, let's jump to the last example, which is active learning in higher education, a case study. The author of this research is are Yon Fook Chan, Gurdam Kaur Sidhu, and Lai Fong Lee. And then the participants of this research are 181 undergraduate and postgraduate students and 22 instructors from the School of Education. And then the data collection for this research are classroom observation, interviews, open-ended section in the questionnaire, and relevant document research. So everyone, the finding indicated that students in higher education were fond of active learning to achieve optimum learning outcomes. And the findings indicate that active learning is best conducted through group discussion, project, and case study, and is best used with strategies such as sight reading and project paper, case study, and reflective writing. The findings propose that strategies promoting active learning be defined as instructional activities involving students in doing things and thinking about what they are doing. So everyone, that's all about the definition of case study research, the procedure of case study research, and the last is about the example of case study research. So this is the reference. The reference says that I used to make my material. So if you want to read more the information about case study research, so please search in your own laptop or your gadget. Thank you. And so everyone, I already made the quiz for you guys. So please join by using the code, or maybe you can join by using the link that I already shared to you guys in the WhatsApp group. Baik, sudah ada 15 peserta. Yang belum silahkan join. Oke, let's start ya. Are you ready guys? Ready. Okay, thank you. 58% naik kelas, guys. Akhiri nih. Akhiri. Oke, wih hebat-hebat. Susah nggak soalnya? Paham ya? Berarti paham ya sama case study research? Baik. Jadi kalau minggu depan diminta sama profnya untuk menjelaskan sedikit kembali, bisa ya? Bisa. Oke, thank you. So everyone, that's all about my presentation today about case study research. Thank you so much for your attention and your participation. I really appreciate that. And that's all for me. Thank you. Goodbye.